Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you the easiest way to create a direct link to send large files up to 15 gigabytes completely for free. First, locate the files you want to share on your computer. To make sending faster and keep everything organized, highlight all of your files, right-click, and compress them into a single zip file. Next, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Every free Google account provides 15 gigabytes of storage. Click the New button in the top left corner, select File Upload, and choose the zip file we just created. Depending on your file size and internet connection speed, this upload might take a few moments to complete. Once your upload is finished, locate the file in your Drive dashboard. Right-click on it, hover over Share, and click Share from the drop-down menu. By default, file permissions are set to restricted. To ensure your recipient can access the file without requesting permission, change the general access option from restricted to anyone with the link. Finally, click the Copy Link button and hit Done. You can now paste and send this link to anyone via email, messaging apps, or social media. When they click it, they will be able to safely download your files instantly. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.